So this is what we call cardboard recycling. So Topper gets a brand new cardboard box. And then Elima gets what's left of Topper's box. Because Elima, I don't think, has ever had the pleasure of tearing apart a cardboard box before. Have you, Elima? Yes. As we can hear over here, Topper is going to town on her box. So now I just have to find an endless supply of cardboard boxes, and we're good to go. Elima, she's really enjoying her box. That is one pretty citron-crested crackatoo. Uh-oh. Tell that box what? You tell that box what's what. Arr. Arr. What a crazy bird. Yeah.